Ano, parang it requires a lot of giving. What do I get in return kung manager ako? Why should I? And dami-dami kong priorities and daming mga urgent and important na I have to deal with. People have to achieve their KPIs, no? Merong mga tasks for the day that they need to deliver. Why should I invest time in dadagdag pa tong mentoring na ito na it sounds like a lot of conversations, ano? So, di ba mas mabilis na sabihin ko na lang sa kanila, ito gawin nyo. Di ba? So, why should I go for mentoring when I can just tell people what to do?
Okay. That's a very good question. Magandang katanungan yan, Edwin. I think we need to contextualize the value of mentoring now versus before because mentoring has been around for centuries. Let's face it. Pero anong pagkakaiba ngayon? In a VUCA environment, yung fast-changing environment, uncertain environment, mentoring...
Time out, Jerry. Ano yung VUCA?
Volatile, uncertain, complex, ambiguous.
And ambiguous environment.
So kung baga sa magulo. We are in a turbulent environment. We are in an uncertain environment. Under a context like that, development or growth of people becomes more critical to improve performance. So if leaders are not mentoring, they don't have any chance of improving performance through people. Kasi kung puro managing ka lang, you give direction, but you are not investing in improving their capacity to perform. And this is where mentoring comes in.
So what I'm getting from you is managing takes care of today. Yung mentoring takes care of the future, no? Today and the future.
So babalik rin sa iyo yan as a manager, di ba? You cannot say, I will, you can be good in the short term, but you will mortgage your future because you have not invested in the growth of the competencies of your people through mentoring.
So I can see that this is beneficial to the employee or the mentee, no? From the context of managing. Pero what do I get in return? Pasa yung mic yan.
As a leader kasi,
what do I get? What benefit do I get?
Diba ang leader is tasked to really deliver results. But how can that result be sustainable? Pag sa kanya lang, diba? Pag siya lang ang may alam, siya lang ang marunong, siya lang ang ang nakaka-produce nito. Kaya importante to be a good mentor kasi dinidevelop mo, sinishare mo yon sa mga tao mo so that they in turn will deliver results sustainably. So it's really about the long-term sustainability of results.
Okay.
Dadagdagan mo yan.
Sige.
Dadagdagan mo yan kasi importanteng katanungan yan. Usually, typical managers, the way they grow their people, they just send their people to training sponsored by HR. But training combined with some mentoring is more powerful to make sure that whatever is learned is applied on the job. There's been a lot of studies that makes that the combination increases the success rate by 70-75%. So talagang kailangan gawin ko, hindi sayang yung training. Yun ang sinasabi natin di ba? Theory lang yun. Pero hindi na translate
sa mentoring provides the necessary follow through.
That's right. It's a good follow through to make sure that whatever is learned there is applied here.